For Mother's Day this year, my mom really wanted to experience some of the trails that Virginia has to offer. So she, my dad, and I got an Airbnb in Stanton, Virginia, and headed into some of the wilderness that I'd previously explored, with the end goal of getting them up to see Flagpole Knob. And as luck would have it, we had perfect weather. The George Washington National Forest was in show-off mode with all this bright green. But the roads were rocky, so I had to air down pretty significantly. The truck was all ready to go. And it wasn't long until we had stunning views. We spent a pretty long time taking this view in, but had to get moving. I was really hoping to have lunch on top of Flagpole Knob. Big shout out to my dad for being the cameraman for the trip, and to his brother, my Uncle Sam, for providing the drone. Makes a lot of difference, doesn't it? I'm still getting used to flying it, but it feels like a game changer. It wasn't long until we were getting close to our first stop, Reddish Knob. But soon our serene slice of nature was filled with, well, a lot of people. The Franklin Moose Lodge in Franklin, West Virginia was hosting their ATV ride for Moose Fest 2025, and they had congested the area quite a bit. But it looked like they were having a heck of a lot of fun. Unfortunately for us, though, we kind of just had to wait. We couldn't head back, and we couldn't move forward. It was too tight to get the ranger around these guys. You can see just how crowded it was at the top of Reddish Knob. We finally got to the top and spent just a few minutes taking the view in before we were ready to move on. If you're still watching, you should go ahead and like and subscribe so that you can see the new videos where I hopefully get a lot better at piloting this drone. After leaving Reddish Knob, it's really just a few minutes down some pretty easy roads to make it to the top of Flagpole. Now here, we were pretty much all alone. We settled in for a picnic lunch and just enjoyed the view for quite a while. We found a very sweet, touching tribute to a dog named Ruger, and as the owner of an adventure-loving dog myself, I poured one out for Ruger. Next, we were back on Flagpole Knob Road to finish out the trip. It gets a little gnarly at times, but Mom was doing all right. I even let her drive the Ranger over a couple obstacles. After all, it was Mother's Day. I think she loved it. We wrapped up the trail just in time to head to a nice dinner in Stanton, and then off to our Airbnb to wind down the weekend. It was a great time, and now my folks are talking about getting a 4x4 of their own. So maybe, next time we head out, we'll see you out there.